right, we are back out on the Harris chain today. Just gonna mess around for a few hours, see if we can't catch a few fish. Gonna start off offshore, I think, hit a few shell bars, maybe mess around on a couple of brush piles, and then we might go up shallow, throw a frog around a little bit. But it's finally a little bit chilly here in Florida. First official cold front. It's October right now, so I don't know if it'll mess up the fish any or not. Water temps are probably going to be in the 70s, so I think they'll probably be out on the shell bars. Might just be a lot of small fish though. This time of year it tends to be that way, so we might have to go up shallow to catch those bigger fish. But we're going to get the boat launched. We're just out here on Main Lake Harris today and see if we can catch a few fish. You're good. There he is.
There you go.
Oh, not a bad one. He's a fat one. I got one. I think it's a crappie. Nah, it's just a little bass. There's definitely a couple fish down there. Oh, God. That was a good one.
There's one white bass.
Yeah, he's super white.
Damn, man.
That feels pretty decent. Solid one. Choked it too. Skinny, but he's not a bad one. There's another one. There's another one. They're stacked up. Yep.
Sweet. Sorry, buddy. My hands are absolutely frozen. Oh, he choked it. Oh, great. I need my shaky head. All right, bro. Relax. Terrible one. Not a bad one.
Oh, that might be a good one.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, I got two. I got two of them. Oh, one just came. The bigger one came off. Dang it. I had two of them. Did you see them?
They were big too.
The other one was like a 3-pounder.
Oh man.
Dang. Of course the bigger one comes off. Yeah. I think it's a big one. Yeah, it's a big one. There we go.
Yeah.
On the drop shot.
Nice.
Be a good one if he was fat. He's skinny. He's really skinny. He looks like a post spawn fish. He'd be feeding up. 4-4. All right, we did pretty decent offshore, but it's getting windy and cold, so we're gonna go hit some canals for the last few hours of the day, see if we can't get a few on a frog. Make sure you save that. Oh, you didn't get it? Dang. That would have been cool.
Every fish was big. Not like this pipsqueak.
All right, guys, the two biggest for the day. A couple of nice ones, both offshore fish. This one should be about a 5-pounder if it was a little bit fatter, but pretty good day. A couple hours out here on Harris Chain. We got to get going because Davidson's got a job interview.
Yes, sir.
We had a fun day out there.
Great
Two
day.
bigger ones back in there. There they go. Thanks for watching, guys.